Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. For this month and for a couple of weeks coming from now till the Valentine's Day, I'm going to make a lot of Valentine's DIY decor pertaining to the Valentine's Day that you would love to create on yourself because they are very easy and absolutely budget friendly. Some of them you can cherish them the year round for years to come. So there will be a playlist for the Valentine's DIY and all my DIYs are together in a DIY and decor playlist. They'll be linked to both the playlist and the winter playlist in my description box below and all the other playlists that I've created. So if you love DIY, decor, home, recipes, sound, travel, everything like this, within a budget, this is the channel. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. Hi again, and today's DIYs are going to be really cute DIYs, something I wanted to make since a long time and finally got to make it. It's going to be a very beautiful and cute DIY, and the second DIY is something very cute I found on internet, and everybody, small or big, everybody's going to cherish it. So let's get started with today's DIY, and before that let me tell you this video is part of the challenge called Valentine's Day Sweets and Treats 2020, and this is being hosted by Rita from Craft Today with Rita Rene, and you'll find the link to her channel and playlist in my description box below. So let's get started with today's cute DIYs. For this DIY I'm going to make a rosary or beaded garland. So I have some heart shapes here. These heart shapes are easily available with every craft suppliers. If you don't get these, the easy way out is take a piece of cardboard, cut the heart shape out and use them. You can either paint it or Mod Podge it or cover it with a piece of paper and your heart shapes are ready. So I'm going to use two of the heart shapes. I need two of the heart shapes for today's project. I'm going to use two different shades of pink for making a little pom-pom and for stringing my garland. I have a tray full of beads. So there are some white beads. These are basically wooden beads that have been painted white. I did this earlier and I had these beads at hand. I have some assorted color beads also. These are some wooden beads. These are pink beads and these are white beads. These are wooden ones, already painted. I got them straight painted from the market, but if you get just like wooden, you can just put them through in a piece of skewer and paint them the color you want. It's easy to paint them like that and have your painted beads for this project. Next, one will need needle and some thread. For the first step, I'm going to paint these two. I already, as I said, I used these in a previous project when I made a nameplate for my home. We were earlier staying in a very small rented apartment for a short time when I made a nameplate for with names of each and every family member. So I'm going to use the same heart pieces. I'm just going to take the string off and paint these two white and be back. I'm going to take some color pens and write whatever I feel like. So I'm taking a string about 2 feet long. I've doubled it, I've put needle here, and I'm going to go through one of these and just tie a knot here. I'll put the knot at the back. Later I'll trim it, maybe add a drop of glue so that it doesn't slip off. I'll trim it later. Now I'm going to put some beads in this. Or maybe a smaller bead first. Then tie a knot here so that it doesn't slip off and everything stays in place. And cut here. First I'll put a knot here. This will form a pretty door hanger. You can adjust the string according to the length that you want on the door, and this would look cute on any door. Here is the door hanger, and now let's begin with the garland. So I have taken a long string of yarn. I've tied a knot on one end, it's double now. So I'm going to start by taking this heart on one end, bring it till the knotted end. Now it's a closed loop because of the knot, and I'll take my needle through the loop. So now it's neatly hanging here. Now I'll add beads in any specific sequence or randomly, just as how I please, and make the garland. Now my garland is almost ready. I can add a knot here and leave the needle still here. Now I had taken two different shades of yarn, and I'm going to take them out together and make a pom-pom. So taken a piece of card. This would be the total height of the pom-pom, and I'm going to wind it round and round till it's as thick as I want it. Now I'll put the needle through this, in between the card and this chunk of yarn, and here tie a tight knot, as tight as I can. And cut this yarn at this length. Now cut all the yarn remove the card. Now taking a separate piece of string in one of the similar colors, I'm going to tie it together. Taking one of the ends, tie a knot again. Double knot to secure it. Trim off the excess or the unruly ones. And here is this ready, a pretty garland and a lovely door hanger. For the cute DIY of today, I've taken some colored paper. This is like chart paper, a little thicker paper than the regular one, some color pens, some candy, glue stick and scissors. You can use any kind of glue or tape. So I've used these candies. I can open them and use single pieces, but I thought of using them with the pack. That way they would last for a longer time. Now adjust and cut the paper to the size that your candy can be easily wrapped in this. So I'm just gonna roll this thing in this and glue it and then tape the two edges together to form a packaging like this. Just overlap and glue it, and on this end like this, close it here also. Maybe clip them together for a while and let this glue dry, or if it's ready you can just use some scalloped edge scissors to cut the edges. Now since I don't have scalloped edge, a little work. Now once the packages are ready, you can use some color pens to add some messages or names. You can make as many as you want, use any kind of paper that you like and whatever size that you want, and make them sweet treats for people, and it's going to be really cute and surprise candy gift. I had so much fun creating this beautiful DIYs with you. I love this garland which says I love us, these cute candy pouches, and this beautiful knob hanger or door hanger. I'm so looking forward to using them in my Valentine's decor. I hope you enjoyed this DIY and would love to make some for yourself. And thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, and do subscribe to my channel, and let's grow together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.